till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll. Oh, I've tried everything.
What is up, guys? I hope you can hear me perfectly. So, we jump right in. I'm already in the trade. It's going good. We're going to take a look at the trade, what I've been trading, what I've been cooking up here. December has been amazing so far. We're going to take a look at some stats, but I will just jump right into, as you can see this here. I have entered this trade. We are already up. You can see it here, here. $200 on the Breakout account again. I've made 4 payouts last week on the 5K account, coming up to 10% in payouts. So amazing months so far. Why is it not showing up again? It is. Let me just. Okay, I have to adjust the breakout. Terminal. Give me just 1 second here. I don't know why it's not showing up anymore. Okay, weird. I need to delete it. I mean, it's only active when I'm on the screen, but then I don't see my trading view anymore. That's the problem. But you see it, we have the running profits here. We take a look at the trade. Can I not move it? I cannot move it. Okay. Nevertheless, we will take a look at it later and fix it. So for now, we want to take a look at this trade that I entered. So what has happened? On the 4 hour, we had this area here, which we could see. So we see this here as an order block, because then we started a dump. And now what I have been doing is I've been refining it a little bit down to this 1 hour order block here. And we still have to remember we are in this triangle here, plus overall trend still bearish. So I have entered once we have broken out of this trend here, and I have waited for a retest of the order block, and you see it filled me in here perfectly. We are getting a strong reaction of this level already, putting us up in good profit. We are now just facing some bullish buying power here, but we are still in good profit. Nothing to worry about. There's a fly annoying me all day, and I'm not able to kill it, so I will just let it live for now. Happy for you, fly. We keep holding on to this trade. My target is around the 0.5% retracement of this move to the upside here, because yeah, we can rebalance a price from there, and we have made some sort of V-shaped correction. It's really volatile the last days, but we have been navigating it well. Last trade was this one here, liquidity sweep, and I entered once we have closed above this bearish fair value gap here that we inversed. So this was my entry, and I've held it all the way. I wanted to held it up to here, but I've closed it here. Sorry, I have closed it up here at this key area here. You see we had a lot of resistance there, so I was not willing to give back profits. Of course, it would have been now at full TP, but I had to endure a lot of drawdown there, and I was not willing to give up after this big move here. So these were the trades from the last few days. Of course, we also had the trade number 3. That was down from, let me just take a look at the higher time frame. So we have traded it from here, here, from there, and we traded it. No, sorry, I was on the wrong side here. We have traded this one here. We went short here, stop above this, and perfectly exited here because of the 0.618 retracement. So these were the trades of the last few days. Trade number 1, trade number 2, and now in trade number 3, which we need to see how it goes now. For now, we have seen buying power here on this level. I will see how I manage it. Of course, in 45 minutes we have New York open. Yeah, not the best candle I'd like to see here, but of course a lot of longs getting stopped now here, but we are safe. I'm looking to move my stop loss into profit and try to keep trading down here into this retracement. Yeah, to hold all the way down here, but I will manage it on the way. Breakout accounts, I will do the same thing. Yeah, we see we have now retraced a little bit here. The other account is up. We are up here, yeah, also $75 on the 5K, and where we have extracted 4 payouts last week, so everything going good here. Let's just keep holding this thing. Just give me 1 second, I will take care of the annoying fly. Okay, I'm back. I've taken care of it now. Yeah, for everybody that is new here, I am trading what you see here. It's my Breakout account. So Breakout is a prop firm that allows you to trade up to $1 million in volume, which would only cost you $1,000. I am trading my 5K account and 10K account currently. Yeah, on my 5K account, I can tell you I have spent $50 for the evaluation and I have already extracted 500. So you see your risk to reward is insane. The only dollar risk you have is your evaluation fee. And once you are funded, you can make immediate withdrawals. My payouts were there in less than 24 hours. It took like 12, not even 12 sometimes. So super fast. Every profit you make, you can withdraw 80% of it. Breakout is backed by Kraken. As you can see, also I have updated the overlay a little bit. Here, down there, you will find the code for Breakout, so you can get maximum discount. And I have also heard that we will be able to make a giveaway for a 25k turbo account among the first people that sign up. Let me just check that I don't say something wrong. Yes, so the first 5 people that buy a 25k account or higher will enter the draw. So this means you can enter the giveaway to basically get a free evaluation once you buy a 25k account with Breakout. I would not promote them if I would not absolutely love the chance they give, as they are backed by Kraken, so no worries that they will run out of funds. And as well, they have a great community. This being said, get yourself your Breakout account ready. I will send the link in the chat. And code 96T69, sorry. And with this, you're good to go. And you can even if you just want to get back into trading, get yourself a 5k account, spend the $50 that you would have normally spent on the weekend to impress some girls that will just steal your money and drink away your drinks that you have bought from your hard-earned money. Spend it on yourself, get yourself a Breakout account now, and you can buy even more bottles at the club once you succeed. No, just joking, but it's really an amazing chance that you can take for yourself. And also, if you want to stay updated on the trades, make sure to follow CoinCompass on X, where we post updates about the trades. We have other hosts, we have Quinton, we have myself, and you will get basically everything that you need to survive in the world of crypto. Stay up to date with the latest news. This is basically what CoinCompass is about, and emphasizing always on being open, credibility, like showing everything here that we do on stream. This is not some fake money we are trading with. This is money I have put personally, and I also share my losses because that's a part of trading. But by being selective with your setups and also being patient, you need to be patient, you can achieve really good results. Of course, you need the experience, but this is what I'm here for. I've been trading now for, it's now my 18 to, so it's 8 years now. It's getting next year that I'm in this market, and I'm trying to save you as much money as I can, and also share you my experience, show you the real side of trading, that it's not just, that it's not flexing Lambos and cars and whatever, that it's a skill that no one can ever take away from you. Of course, it's a skill that can make you a good amount of money, but to be at this stage, it requires a lot of discipline and also time. Just like with everything, it takes time, it takes patience. There is no getting rich quick tomorrow. Build it up, you will be way more satisfied with your success. I can openly speak with you guys about this. I was also at this stage thinking, oh, I start trading now, I will make a lot of money. and blow it on cars and stuff. But that's when you start trading, and then you face the first truth where you lose and lose, and you get in a losing streak, and you think, what is this? And you try to question yourself. Every trader you will speak to goes through the same stages, but they always come back to the same things: patient, discipline, and time, and focus on less. I have transitioned so much to only trading Bitcoin and Nasdaq. I was trading, my watch list was full with, probably, maybe I have an old one, I can show it to you here. No, I have cleaned up everything. But basically it was full with every forex pair there is out there, and I was trying to find the trade instead of just being patient and have way better results. I wanted to check earlier on my own personal account. I can maybe post a percentage later, but I just check how my 7-day performance was. Can I make it in percent here? So 7-day. Yeah, I made the. Where can I change it to? Percent. Okay, zeros, but I can say I made almost over 100% over the last 7 days trading. By not risking much. You see, if you have a trade like this and this now, you can risk, let's say, $20, and this trade would make you $100 by risking 20. Of course, you need to be patient for these setups, right? Wait for the right moments, but it's about quality, not quantity. And of course, market experience to see, okay, this was, for example, here, hey, look at this. This was a clear, let me just draw it like this, clear liquidity grab, because you see the V-shaped correction afterwards. And what did we have in play? Also a trend line here, and if I just pull out the fib again, I remember it. Yeah, you see it was perfectly 0.618 retracement. What was the other confluence here? If you just take a fib to the other side, you see I traded up to the 0.618 of the downside. So you have two directions that you combine together into one, making it even better for you to find good entries where you say for yourself, even if I'm wrong, let's say with my long bias here, even if you're wrong, you can have the certainty that after a move like this, markets will retrace at least 50%. And you can now go onto your charts and measure this all the way. You will find 50% retracements throughout the markets all the time. Okay, why is my Discord here on? I wanted to have no sounds. Disable sounds. Okay. Yeah. And it also comes down to not being too greedy. Don't be greedy. Just be happy with the profit you make and stay in the game as long as it's just a game of how long can you survive before you run out of money or you make it. Let's update. You see here, Breakout is doing well, trade is going good. No stress here for me. I'm super chill because I know I have my stop at an area where if Bitcoin decides to go up there, I can be sure I was wrong. The thing is now, where am I going to trail my take profit? I do not like to trail it too much recently because I've had some bad experience. I'd rather eat the stop and make a full profit. So the example is, let's say we are in this trade now and I would trail it really tight here and I make, let's say, $100. But at this point here, I would have made 500. And this runs now all the way. I have not made $100. I have lost $350 or $400. Because if I eat the full stop here, okay, then I have lost my $50. But the next trade, I may make $500 again by letting it run all the way, and this could have maybe saved me 100. Then I'm still net positive without having the stress of micromanaging too hard, because I rather work with structure. And if I, let's say, just draw the higher time frame trend line here, we are still, yeah, you see, we approach this trend line. Another confluence for my short here, which we currently react to. This is a lot of lines. I will just put this away. So we have basically this here, and now I'm thinking, because we try to make as much money as we can on a winning trade, how high is the possibility that I can hold this down here? Because why, you would now think, oh, this is crazy, how would you catch a trade up here going down there? Because what I do is I add elliott wave analysis to my trading. And overall on the daily time frame, why is my trading view in German here? Let me just put it back to English. Okay, now everything is looking a little bit big, stretched. Oh, it's good. So what I'm thinking here is that we still have room to go, because on elliott wave theory, you argue that markets move in fives. So it has, corrections are 5 ways. So 1, 2, the third wave to the downside is always the most impulsive. Then you have a minor correction, and here you should go to the downside one more time, and measured, it would mean wave 5 is, oh, I cannot do it like this. Wave 5 is equal as wave 1. So this is 20% here. Let's say the top is here. 20%, we get the 74k move here. So meaning that this here, I don't know why I had it like this, is the desired move. And how can I maybe say, okay, this is my fourth move here? So elliott wave theory says that, let's take this, the fourth wave turns between 082, 382 and 236. And we have, yeah, if you say the move started here, then we have touched 0.38, but here as well, it's almost perfect at this level, and we are reacting to it. So now the idea on lower time frame is still, let me remove this big movement here, that this starts to unfold also as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because also each move to the downside is again divided into 5 moves, just on a lower structure. And if I take a measurement here now, you see 0618 was perfectly hit here, and we are reacting to it. So that's why I might plan that this trade will be one of my best trades if it plays out. Holding this high here down, if we jump back onto the chart, could give me the confidence to trade this even further down here. Because higher time frame structure is more important than lower time frame structure, but changes start on lower time frame structure, and then we shift to higher time frame structure. That's what you always need to keep in mind here. And sorry for all the gym bros that I have a green monster and not a white one. Yeah, so that's why I will just let this trade run here. My stop is Not again at this high, but here, because if it goes here, then it will go there as well. And yeah, the first area where I will think of maybe taking some, at least my entry off, is down here for sure. This is where I'm looking to take some profits off. But for now, everything is looking perfectly here. At least at this stage here, I will close my trades on breakout, because I don't want to like get in the drawdown rules. So I don't want to break any rules, and I just want to take my profits there whenever I can. So on breakout, I will close it between this area. On my personal account, I am way more flexible. I can hold trades longer. I have no risk. How would I call it? I have no risk rules, or I have risk rules, but let's say I can hold through drawdown and I can make less than 2% on a day. So I have way more room to play around on my personal account here. Anybody has anything? If you want me to, by the way, look at any charts, want to get my thoughts on something, just let me know in the chat and we can take a look at it together. Don't be hesitant if you want me to explain breakout more, or whatever's on your mind, go ahead, let me know. I'm here for you. As I always keep my streams like as short but informative as possible, because I don't just want to sit there and stare at the charts. I'm trying to bring the best to you whenever I can. So thinking of okay, this trade is now risk free. I've just covered my fees and a little bit more profit here on my personal account to let the rest here run. Yeah, perfect. Perfecto. Yeah, we will see some retracement here, but as we see, we go along the trend line here nicely, and it can just straight down all the way, hopefully. Where would my trade be wrong? See perfectly at the at my entry, because here we also have the 1 day trend line, which is still perfectly in play. 1, 2, 3, almost a touch here. So if I'm a little bit yeah, if I give the price a little room, we could, you know, treat it like this. It would be even more accurate. Then we have more touch points, 1, 2, 3, 4, and now we are touching it for the 5th time again, and it could break down further here if we reject this, because then we have a low retracement, and then we would look for the break of structure here. But of course, the more we touch a trend line, the weaker it gets, but it doesn't mean that it can hold one more time. With what I explained, goes in line with what I had in mind earlier on the higher time frame. So I just need to clean up here this a little bit for you, so we see what we are trading here. Yeah, here it looks like we are now break and retesting this line, but it's just, yeah, you need to be on the higher time frame if we adjust it a little bit better to the to this, or even if we say, okay, we just want the last touches, then it's like this, then we would have even some room to get up. So trend lines, you always have some room to play with, but we have it in mind that there is a trend currently in play. Oh, I hate winter time. So yeah, what I will basically do now is I will let the trade run. I will update you on X. So make sure to follow X. And also I want to again speak about the breakout giveaway. So if you get yourself a 25k account with the link I have sent in the chat, or we have on our X, and use our code, which you find here, down there, wrong direction here. You can enter yourself into the pot of our giveaway and you will receive a 25k challenge for free, a turbo challenge. So basically, if you buy 25k challenge and you win, then your challenge was for free and you can earn up to 50k in funding, which is, I think, an amazing chance. So make sure to get yourself an account. You're the first ones to hear it here. Make sure to take care of this chance for you. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I will let my trade run, prepare for New York session. Just make a quick break here. And if there is something urgent, I will let you know on Twitter, because I have my alerts set. So this is the most chill thing you can work with. You just press here on the plus sign. You can create an alert message. I would do now back at break even. This alert here would be alert name, stop loss hit. And this is the area where I would say take profit on breakout. So this is how you can work with alerts. So you don't have to check your charts constantly, because what price is doing in here, I don't give a damn what it does. I just want either to see, okay, I'm back at break even, will I close it looking at structure, or if I decide not to, then I want to know when my stop loss is hit. Otherwise, I just want to know when I will take profits here. That's it. That's how you work with alerts. It will make your trading way better. This was the inverse fair value gap I thought I added earlier. This will make your trading way better, and you will see the results. Trust me. Being patient and just letting price play out. Just let price play out. Just let price play out, and don't get caught in areas like this trading. Wait for volume. You see, we have volatile days on Bitcoin. We have enough volume to not trade in areas like this. So we don't need to trade in areas here like this. Just look for the right spots where price has a high probability, for example, like trend lines, order blocks, support and resistance areas, because everybody's looking at different things. So also you can use what I do. I use liquidity maps to see, okay, which areas are likely, it's not sure, where we run into, because markets love liquidity, where we can stop people out, where we grab liquidity. And it was exactly back then the area here. because that's why I also entered or closed here my trade. We grabbed the liquidity, and knowing this, I know, okay, a lot of people are getting stopped here. We will dump, but on the other hand, also a lot of people have to take profits here. So we need this to create the liquidity to fill orders on the short side for the take profits, but this will open up buy orders in the end, so we can come and push price up here again, what we did. So if you want to learn more about this, make sure to follow us, and every stream people are learning new things. I'm giving more inside info. Let's now just update also here. Our breakout is looking amazing, so we let the trade run here, updating you on Twitter how everything went. So this is looking amazing here. Profits are in and we are good for today. With this being said, I will take now 15 minutes and I will update you on X. Get your breakout account, don't miss on the giveaway, and of course follow us on YouTube, or if you're watching on X, give us a like and follow on X. We do post a lot of informative content, news there as well. Would be really helpful for us to support this journey of bringing out knowledge, a little bit of, yeah, I always say it like my mission is to bring more legitimacy, wow, it's a hard word to pronounce as a German, into the crypto markets and into trading, because this world is full of bullshit, and I just want you to not think you can get rich tomorrow, but show you the hard truth, what it takes, but also how you can achieve it. I think with this being said, thanks for the stream, thanks for watching everybody that tuned in. I hope you could maybe re-enter on this trade as well, or got yourself your breakout account, and see you on the next one on Wednesday or Friday. I will post on X. Bye bye.